it war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani or binabayani. So whenever there is dispute or misunderstanding arises in between two tribes, they usually send their young men in a bottle. But before sending them, they are doing this ritual to ask guidance from their god Apo na Maliari or yung tinatawag po nating Black Nazarene to give them a victorious fight and a peaceful solution over dispute. And they do believe that the best dancer will be the best warrior or fighter for their tribe. So once again, war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani or binabayani. So by the way po, they are holding real bows and arrows ay tinatawag po natin pana or palasok sa Tagalog. So iwas-iwas na po tayo. Sometimes they accidentally release their arrows at madalas po natatamaan ang mga nakakulay yellow na pants. Nagtago sila atin sa likod. Sa Totally, madali lang naman bunutin yung arrow. Tsaka yung tinamaan kahapon, na kumakain pa naman siya ngayon at saka buhay pa naman. Okay, so that will be the end of the short but humble presentation. We do hope that everyone will come and we do hope that you appreciate the culture of our Aina brothers. So once again, let's give them a big round of applause.